Hello guys, good morning. We are going to dive again. Wait, and with Toha, Mr. Toha.
Hi.
He's so famous already. And Alberto, hello. Okay, landed at Amed. We are at the Divers Cafe, bungalows, restaurant, and swimming pool. I'm still using Bali Hai for my dive now. We dive at Jemeluk Bay. We're going to the pyramid. Actually, here, the pyramid is the box or the temple, look like a temple. That if you see in my other video, I did snorkeling here. And today the weather is perfect. Look at the weather and the sea is very calm. I'm sure it will be super great dive. So we fill in all the formula, or do you suffer any, or have ever suffered from any of the following, blah 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 blah, no, all is good. Coffee? Cappuccino? No, cappuccino ada om? And coconut, me coconut. See. And my last dive is somewhere in November. I used 6 kilo weight and all that. And my last dive is 70 meter going under. So we are trying to get 18 meter this dive. To use that kind of boat, we are going to the left, this side, and we are going here also. And after that, we move to the grade. So this spot called Amed left and Amed right, and the second dive we will go to the great water. So it's nice. Super coral, super weather, must be super dive today. We bought the boot for Alberto, so this is new boot he's going to try, and also the new fin that he's going to try. So he's not going to use the boot that provided by the diet center. So that is all our tank and our wetsuits.
Meters. Because on the wall it's very hard. You need to check depth gauge more frequently. Okay? But I will give you sign
Yes.
maximum level we go. Okay?
I'm a bit concerned about my problem in my ear the last time. Let's see.
Yeah, so that's why we will start that from shallow water.
Okay.
Okay? 3-4 meters we go down.
Yes.
And then that we following the slope. Slowly.
Doing the
Yes.
equalization.
Yeah, equalization, slow descent, okay?
Yes.
You feel comfortable. If you feel still painful, just up a little bit until you feel okay, and then back down. Okay? And then we stay around 45 minutes, depending on. And before 45 minutes, one of us is 50 bar. We go up slowly to shallow water, make 5 meters, 3 minutes set this down. Okay?
It was like how long before the surface?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
5 meters, 3 minutes.
3 minutes for the
Set this stop.
yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
After that, we surfacing.
But we follow.
Yeah, we surfacing, then inflate your jacket on the surface, okay, to establish your buoyancy. Underwater also, you need to add air.
Yeah.
Start, every time underwater, stop adding air or release air from little bit, just
Yeah.
little bit, okay?
Faster.
Okay, until you neutral buoyant.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, we go.
Hello! Hello, Albert. Oh, yes! Ooh, rock and roll!
Let's go.
How?
It's already recording.
Because when the clear weather, you can see the Mount Agung.
Yeah, over there.
Look from there. There's something there now. Yeah.
This roller coaster ride. We go up and down, we go up and down the mountain. This roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes. I'm on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
Okay. Second dive, guys. Slowly, slowly swimming because.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard? Cause I just gave up. Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride.
Okay. How was your comment? You good? Very good?
Very good.
Yes, yes. Did he?
This is better than the first, yeah?
Yeah.
This second dive is better than the first dive.
Yeah.
We saw lots
Blue spot.
blue spot, stingray, and lionfish,
Yeah.
and lots of nemo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The big one.
Which one?
Like